Yes, students, Namaskar to one and all. Today I am going to take one HOTS type question based on circle. Hereby, different properties of cyclic quadrilaterals will be applied. We will discuss meanwhile when the need of the property will come, I will explain. Let's see, the question is P is a point on a circle passing through the vertices of a triangle ABC. If PM perpendicular to BA produced, AB or BA whatever, produced. PN is altitude on AC and PQ is again the perpendicular on BC. So we have to find angle MNQ, the angle between two line segments MN and NQ is to be calculated. So first of all, I am going to draw a construction. Construction required here is join A to P and P to C. Hereby it is very clear that PABC has become now a cyclic quadrilateral. PABC is now cyclic quadrilateral, so we can apply the property of cyclic quadrilateral over here. Let's see one property. What I am going to use is circle over here. It is, say it is P, A, B, C. If it is produced over here, then this angle is known as exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. And property is known to us, exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is always equal to opposite distant interior angle of it. How to prove? I will go shortly to prove it. Let this angle be 1 and this is 2 and this angle be 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. It is linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, linear pair. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is again equal to 180 degree. Property of cyclic quadrilateral. Property of cyclic quadrilateral says that opposite angles of it are supplementary. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So from here, the both where we can write, we can take here 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So 2 is getting cancelled from the both sides. We have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. We have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. What is 3? That is PCB. What is 1? Already clear here. So we can see angle PAM. It is somewhere here by M. You can see the figure. PAM, angle PAM will be equal to angle PCB. This is very important over here. PCB is equal to angle PAM. Now again I am going to use another property, that is how to get a quadrilateral whether it is cyclic. Let's see. Hereby angle PMA is 90 degree. PMA plus angle PNA, again angle PNA is equal to 180 degree, because PMA is 90 and PNA is also 90, 180 degree. In case of a quadrilateral whose sum of opposite angles is 180 degree, again cyclic, therefore we can say PMAN is cyclic. Now it is cyclic proved. When it is cyclic proved, then we can apply the property of cyclic quadrilateral over here. Now recall again, if 4 points are cyclic, say this is P, M, now hereby A and hereby say N, just to correlate with the figure. So what is got? It is cyclic. When it is cyclic, and one construction over here is that is already done by us. So when these 4 points are cyclic, then this angle Say this angle 1 and this angle 2. These two angles are angles in the same segment, so they are also equal. Angles in the same segment are also equal. So we can write here angle angle PAM is equal to angle PNM. Angle PAM is equal to angle PNM, but PAM is already equal to PCB. We'll write here angle PCB for PAM. PCB is equal to angle PNM. PCB means this angle as a whole. This angle as a whole is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So these two angles are again being equal. Now we'll see the another arrangement of the quadrilateral. Let's see the next one. If we are going to see PNQC, let's again draw this PNQC. What angle is PNC? That is 90 degree. PNC is 90 degree, and PQC again 90 degree, already given to us. PNC is 90 degree and PQC is again PQC is also 90 degree. Now we call a property. The property is, if a line segment subtends two angles in the same side of it, then the 4 points including the end points of line segment are concyclic. In other words, if we have a line segment, say it is PC, and there are 2 points, say these are 2 points, not necessarily at the same distance from P and C, and it is already given to us if these two angles are equal. Say it is N and it is Q. So this angle is equal to this angle, then points including P and C, Q and N, all these will be cyclic. This will be cyclic quadrilateral. PCQN will be cyclic quadrilateral. Acha, if PCQN is cyclic quadrilateral completed, if PQCN is cyclic quadrilateral, then we'll conclude something from here. We'll write here PCPN PNC is equal to PQC, 90 degree each. Therefore, PNQC is again cyclic. When it is cyclic, PNQC is also cyclic, then what will happen? If this quadrilateral is again cyclic, PNQC is cyclic, then what can you conclude about the angles PNQ and PCQ? Again supplementary. When PNQC is cyclic, then opposite angles of PNQC will be supplementary. Therefore, angle PNQ plus angle PCQ is equal to 180 degree. Will be equal to 180 degree. Now PNQ, keep it as it is. Angle PNQ plus, now PCQ can be written as PCB also. Angle PCB, that is equal to 180 degree, because PCQ and PCB are the same angles, just their arms end points are different, but angle is the same. Now PNQ plus, what is PCB? PCB can be seen here, it is equal to PAM, angle PAM, that is equal to 180 degree. PNQ plus PAM is equal to 180 degree. Now look at the figure. What is P and Q and P and M, making them angle M and Q. P and Q and PAM. PNM. Sorry, PNM. Here by PNM. PCB is equal to PNM. Okay. So PCB is equal to PNM. So P and Q plus P and Q is making 180 degree. Now look at the figure. P and Q plus P and M is equal to 180 degree. When these are 180 degree, M and Q, your answer is got. Angle M and Q is 180 degree. Sometimes it can be asked, prove that M and Q is a straight line. The question will be drafted in this way. P is a point on a circle passing through the vertices of triangle ABC. If PM altitude BA produced or AB produced, what's better is that we write here BA because it is being produced in the direction of A. From B it is produced in the direction of A, so we write here BA produced. Okay, then and PN is altitude on AC, PQ is altitude on perpendicular on BC. Then prove that M and Q is a straight line. This can be also asked from you people. We can write here also, or it is not asked here, but it can be asked. M and Q is a straight line. So this is all for your question, and this is a very good question even. Third word, hereby construction required, that if construction required is got to you, then you will be able to solve the question very clearly and easily. If construction, we can't try to understand, construction can be thought. Construction can be thought. If you know the properties of all the requirements here, all the things here, then you can think about what the construction can be done. Thanks for this video, and better is that you should subscribe the channel so that you can be getting different type and difficult, even HOTS type questions also to learn more. Thank you.